Now, we purchased a turkey on sale at Christmas and froze it. We do that every year. Yesterday, my husband cooked that turkey and he sliced some up with some gravy and it was so good. But today, I'm gonna make turkey salad from the leftovers. So let's go ahead and get started on this. Now, you can buy a rotisserie chicken or you can boil you some chicken on the stove if you want to make this recipe, but I'm using turkey. Got my leftover turkey and I'm going to shred this into a bigger bowl. Now you don't want this shredded like barbecue. Leave a few little chunks and actually measured this for you. I have 3 cups of turkey. I use some Duke's mayonnaise. So that's about 1 cup of Duke's mayonnaise. Go ahead and mix that around. Now add some sweet pickle relish. There's about a half a cup in my jar here, so I'm gonna guess a half a cup. Get that in stir. I'm going to dice a medium-sized yellow onion. It's that easy. When I'm editing my videos, I feel like Bewitched when I see me do that. I love Bewitched. Cannot wait to watch Bewitched with my granddaughter someday. Lord willing. We are going to add the onion into the mixture. We have a family member that doesn't like the texture of onion, so I totally get that if some of you are like that. So instead of adding the onion to it, you can either omit it, add onion salt, or you can do what I do. I get my trusty little bullet out here. Go ahead and pour those onions in that cup. Slip that right in there. And add that onion in there. We're going to dice up 2 stalks of celery. And just like magic, we dice those celeries. I don't know why that tickles me, but it does. So I've got 2/3 cup of diced celery. Go ahead and add that. Give it a stir. This is actually my husband's chicken salad recipe, and it is off the hook. Everybody loves it. And now we're going to add a half a cup of diced bell peppers. Now mine were frozen. I wish I had a fresh one. It would taste so great, but this is all I had. You can use frozen green bell peppers. You could even do red or orange or yellow bell peppers and add some color to it. Now we are going to add some salt. You can omit that if you want to, if you're on a low sodium diet, and you can salt and pepper this to your own taste. Now some pepper. This pita bread is really great because when you cut it in half, it has little pockets. And then when you have a family gathering or a party, you can just stuff your chicken salad or turkey salad in these and it makes a beautiful tray. And I'm gonna bring you a little closer and let you see what this looks like. I hope you guys have a beautiful, beautiful day.